Hello crafty friends, it's the 1st of February and it's time to have a look at the new Spellbinders kits for the month. So I'm going to give a quick overview and here we go. First one, our card kit or easy card kit of the month is called Spring Delights. We're going to get our coloured cardstock cut into A2 pieces, our pretty papers, we get a set of stickers, we get some chipboard stickers. We also receive some puffy stickers as well as the different ephemera. And as you're going through having a look at the cards, you can see some of the gorgeous paper up close. And it's a very spring themed card kit and lovely bright but muted colours. Next we have got the add-on for the quick and easy card kit. And you can see there we've got a very cute set. We have got the Teatime Etched Die Set, and there are lots of dies included, including the cup, the flowers, the pinwheels, the stems, the bunny, and the different pieces of the bunny. And I think he's just adorable how he has his little paw hanging over the top of the cup. Our Glimmer set this month is called Tulip Border, and it's a beautiful large hot glimmer foil plate, and it comes with the two sentiments, Hope Blooms and Sending Flowers and a Smile. Both lovely sentiments that you can use any time of the year. So they're going to be gorgeous. Next we have our new 3D embossing folder called Spring Burst, and I think this is just so beautiful. I love the florals and the leaves, and it very much reminds me of a paisley design. I think it's going to be really, really spectacular to use on various projects. For our small die of the month, this is also fantastic. They're called Floral Mini Tiles, and they're a set of dies that layer on top of each other. And the different tiles come in the shapes of diamonds. You have hectagons, and then you also have the teardrop shape, as well as, to me, it sort of looks like a bauble shape there, and the possibilities with those dies, it's going to be endless. February's stitching die is called A Pocket Full of Spring, and it too is really pretty. I know I keep saying, but I'm really enjoying everything in the kits this month. You can see the beautiful detail that you can get with the dies. They layer on top of each other. You also get that fantastic pocket shape, which you can stitch around just like a pocket on a pair of jeans. Fantastic set this month. Our 2D embossing folder is called Hydrangea Blooms. This is a lovely, delicate, detailed floral pattern that you get with this embossing folder. And you can see in the cards just how lovely it is and how it really complements all the different products this month. Our stamp and die set this month is called Pocket Bunny. This is going to be beautiful to use on any of our Easter cards or Easter projects. You can see there we have dies to match each of the shapes, and then also the sentiments have dies as well. So we have images of bunnies in a pocket, we have one in a semicircular floral shape, and then we also have the little bunny popping out of an Easter egg. Just adorable. Then our large die of the month gives us lots of possibilities. It's called Spring Reflection. We get multiple sentiments, one particularly for Easter, and then the two large half dies give us the option of being able to have different frames on our card that go around the large oval shaped floral arrangement, and that floral arrangement has individual flowers that then layer up on top of each other. So I think you'll find, if you're like me, that this month's kit or kits are just fabulous, and I'm really looking forward to receiving them and working with them. For more details and images, please go to the Spellbinders Papercrafts website. Until next time, bye bye for now.